Hi there, students. An awning. Awning. Notice the pronunciation. Awning. Sounds like it begins O-R. Okay, you know maybe you go to a bar or a restaurant and they've got like this piece of canvas coming out over the street. It's like a roof. Yeah. And it keeps the rain off, it keeps the sun off you, and it's probably not supported by anything. It's just screwed into the wall, and it's made of canvas. This is an awning. Yeah, it's this piece of material that's supported by a frame to protect the front of a building or part of a building against the sun. So think about all these these restaurants and cafes that have tables on the seats, tables on the street. Well, normally they have an awning that comes out. Yeah. Or you could also use this word, for example, market stalls. Normally market stalls are outside and they have like this canvas roof, and that is an awning as well. Okay, so an awning. Yeah, it's this cover that goes over a shop window to keep out the sun, or it goes over the tables of a cafe on the street or something like that, and that is your awning. Yeah, it goes over to make some sort of shelter. So I guess a canopy, a shade, some sort of covering. Yeah, very often you have in hot countries you have awnings that come out over a window, and you wind them out and they come down and they protect against the sun shining directly into your window. And this is an awning. Okay, it's quite a good word. I think also you can actually use this word awning, meaning a part a part of the ship of a ship. It's part of the deck. I think it's the bit at the front of the deck of a ship. But an awning, it's like a roof-like cover, normally made of canvas. Sometimes they're made of plastic. Yeah, and it acts like a shelter, but you can wind it out and wind it back, and that's the idea. Awning, formality. I think I'm going to give it 5.5 in formality. I think you could just about use it informally. So yeah, use it anywhere. Although, what would I say informally? I don't know. Some sort of shelter, something like that. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Old French, en vent, which is like a sloping roof. And that probably comes from a Gaulish word from Gaul, andabana, meaning the eaves, the edge of the house where the roof meets the wall. Yeah, so have you got awnings over your window? It depends if you live in a hot country or not. It's somewhere very sunny. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Awning, an awning, a countable noun.